Let's learn how to subtract fractions with different denominators. Our problem today is 3/4 minus 7/16. Before we can subtract these fractions, we need to find a common denominator. Looking at our denominators, we have 4 and 16. Since 16 is equal to 4 times 4, 16 will be our least common denominator. Now that we have our common denominator, we need to convert 3/4 to an equivalent fraction with denominator 16. To do this, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. This gives us 12/16. Let's visualize this with fraction rectangles to understand why these fractions are equivalent. Here's 3/4 and here's 12/16. Notice how they represent the same amount, even though they're divided differently. Now, we can rewrite our original problem as 12/16 minus 7/16. Since we now have the same denominator, we can subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator. Let's calculate 12 minus 7. That gives us 5/16 as our final answer. Let's verify our answer visually. Here's 12/16, and when we subtract 7/16, we're left with 5/16. To summarize, when subtracting fractions with different denominators, first find a common denominator, convert the fractions to equivalent fractions with that denominator, and then subtract the numerators while keeping the same denominator.